Goa police has now filed a charge sheet in the case of Suchana Seth. Suchana Seth, who was the CEO of an artificial intelligence company in Bengaluru. In fact, it was alleged that she had strangulated her son, a 4-year-old son, in Goa, and had then escaped from Goa to Chitradurg, which is in Karnataka. In fact, this incident came to light in January when Suchana Seth, who was with her 4-year-old son in Goa, had taken a cab urgently in the middle of the night. This was on January 7th and 8th night when she urgently called for a cab and then fled to Karnataka. In fact, later on in the investigation, cops also found that she'd fled with the remains, in fact, the body parts of her son, and this was in Chitradurg when the cops had opened her bag was when the body parts of her son were found. Apart from that, there was a letter which was written on a tissue paper with an eyeliner. It was also received by cops in her baggage. This is also now a part of charge sheet. In fact, the letter states that her son, that Suchana Seth had said that her son had informed her that he does not want to go to her abusive and exploitative husband, and there is no way that her lawyers can keep him safe. She was not really happy with it. This was the lines that were mentioned on the tissue paper. There was a four-line message that was written on it, which the cops had recovered. Now, this is also a part of the charge sheet. The charge sheet is a 642-page long charge sheet wherein there have been statements of 59 people who have been recorded by the cops. The statement also includes the statement of Suchana Seth's husband, Venkatraman, who was in fact called in from South Asia after the death of their son. In fact, in the statement that Suchana Seth's husband has mentioned in the charge sheet, he said that despite the orders by the court in Karnataka, Suchana Seth was not allowing him to meet their son. In fact, the investigation earlier had also mentioned how Suchana Seth had called her husband to meet the son in Bengaluru, but she fled with him to Goa. Now, all of these details, in fact, had come to light, and they are now a part of the charge sheet. In the charge sheet, Suchana Seth has been charged under section 302 and 201 of IPC, which means murder and also destruction of evidences. Apart from that, charges that have been levied against Suchana Seth also include under section 8 of the Goa Children's Act. In fact, the entire case came to light when the hotel in Kandolim area where Suchana Seth was staying with her son, and she, after checking out and finding a cab, she immediately took a cab in the middle of the night. And next day morning, when the house cleaning staff had reached the room, they found that there were blood stains in the very room that Suchana Seth was staying. Following which, this entire incident was flagged off to the Goa police, and then Goa police got hold of the driver, the Toyota driver that was taking Suchana to Bengaluru, and they were in fact 160 kilometers away from Bengaluru when Suchana was taken to the nearby police station where she was handed over to the cops. In fact, in this very case, what had also come forth was that Suchana Seth and her husband, they were undergoing divorce proceedings in the court, and she was quite disturbed because of it. However, this very case that we speak of had sent chills across people, especially due to the fact that that a CEO of the artificial intelligence company could take the life of a 4-year-old son. And details had also emerged about how she'd taken her son to Goa just a couple of weeks back in November and December as well. But however, right now, Suchana Seth is in the judicial custody in Goa, and further investigation is on. On June 14th is where framing of charges will take place against Suchana in the further hearing in the court.